If you've got a personal injury case, what are the chances that you're going to end up going to trial? About 98.9% of all cases settle before going to trial. So give or take, there's about a 1% chance that your personal injury case would go to trial. But why is that? What happens? How does that happen? Well, the answer is if the insurance company for the person that hit you or caused your personal injury doesn't offer enough money to satisfy your damage model. And what I mean by damage model is you have physical injuries, you have mental anguish, you have pain and suffering damages, you may have economic damages, meaning lost wages, they may have not paid for your property damage, and we can go on and on. You may have disfigurement, you may have permanent impairment. So if your lawyer and you decide that your case is worth X and they're only offering Y, and you can't come and meet in the middle about what is a fair compensation, then you're going to trial. Or in other instances, he said, she said, I had the green light. No, I had the green light. You're going to trial on that type of case because they're definitely not going to offer you enough money to compensate you if they're dead set on the fact that that you ran the red light and not their client. So those are a couple reasons why, but most of the time, again, 99% of cases settle before going to trial. It may take months to get to that point, or it may take years to get to that point, but most likely the answer is you're not going to trial. If you have any other questions like this or need some help, contact Attorney911, because if we can't help you, we'll definitely find someone who can.
You just learned something new. Attorney911, the podcast, with Attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney911, the podcast.